Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne.
Hey guys, it's Jazzy, and today's look is going to be a look from a 90s kid classic, a Goofy movie. That's right, I will be bringing Roxanne to life. Roxanne, she's the type that likes to party all night. I cannot freaking wait. Before we get started, you know the drill. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you care, because we are on the road to what? 1K. So, since this movie is a cult classic, just like Coraline, movie makeup look right there. There you go. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you check it out. But we're gonna do this one exactly the same, where I'm gonna give you facts about the movie as I do my makeup. So first we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with the face. You can do your foundation and your base any way you want to, because her skin is just, it's just normal. So, I'm gonna do my foundation and I will be right back. Alright, so my face is mostly done. I just want to do a quick nose contour because we are going to make an animalistic nose, because Roxanne is, I believe, a dog. Her father is like a bulldog, so I'm gonna assume she's a dog. So our first fact is the voice of Max is also the voice of two very well-known Disney characters. He's the voice of Kofi from The Lion King 2, and he is the voice of Binks the cat in Hocus Pocus. And he is amazing. Everyone I know that has met him said he's literally a darling, so, you know. Even though she has red hair, she has like normal looking eyebrows, so I think I'm going to keep her eyebrows the light brown color that mine kind of already are. For our eyes, I am going to be using my Lollipop palette. We are going to be using the different shades of brown in the palette. However, we're going to be doing a different shape than I typically have ever done with my eyes. We're going to make a more semicircle instead of trying to make a winged type of look with our eyeshadow, because I want to make my eyes look kind of more cartoonish and more dog-like, also a little bit bigger. So we're gonna make some more little bit animalistic eye. Taking a light brown, I'm just gonna start that semicircle shape. I added some dark brown to the crease portion, and now I'm just gonna blend it out. Alright, I'm gonna take some of my e.l.f. eye primer in light, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna take this gold shimmery color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Alright, that looks mostly good. Our next movie fact is that Powerline's outfit was inspired by this band, Devo. Yeah, an odd band to base the main character's outfit off of, but like, I mean, if a problem comes around, you can whip it. I'm gonna go through and blend everything out again. Take white face paint, and we're going to do what we do when we're a cartoon. Eyeliner time. We're gonna do really round and then a tiny wing at the end. Nothing too extravagant, because we are trying to look like a dog. So now we have big, beautiful doe-like eyes. So let's put on our Great Lash mascara, because you know I can't live my life without it. Great Lash, because it's still 2007. That looks perfect. I'm going to move on to the lips, but we will come back to the eyes because we still have to add our lashes. Okay, so for our lips, I'm going to be trying to formulate kind of a naturally brown, cute lip. I don't want to wear too dark brown because I don't want it to be too aggressive. She's supposed to be a high school student. So I am going to use Mrs. Norris from the Sophia collection with Colourpop. I am obsessed with these lipsticks, and I'm really sad that I couldn't buy a backup pack before Colourpop discontinued them, because they are my favorite thing ever. You can find them on Poshmark, but is it the same really? No, come on Colourpop, bring these lipsticks back. Anyway, and I'm also going to be using the color Ale from... It's time to do our nose. So I'm gonna just map out where I want it. So her nose is a brown, dark brownish color, so that's what we're going to use. Do sort of a shadow outline of a brown that's a little bit lighter, because I don't want this brown to be like nose, you know, like her nose isn't that prominent, so we want to, you know, kind of fade into the color instead of just having our nose just be... Start from down here and blend it out as you go up instead of starting from up here. That's how you don't get the really harsh nose line. I mean, some people may like that, so if that's the look you're going for, then feel free to just, you know, do the nose whatever way you want to, but I want my nose to gradually get brown instead of just being a brown nose. Grab our bronzer and just put it on as we normally would. Our next fact is that Goofy and Max live in Columbus, Ohio. You can tell from the map in the movie that that's where they're from, which makes sense because in Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas, they got snow, so you knew they lived somewhere where it snows. Who knew they were from the Midwest? So many things make sense now. I'm going to use my Milani blush in the mid-tone and the lighter tone to give myself some blush. I might go in a little bit with the darker in certain areas because she's a teenager, she blushes a lot. Lastly, my Ofra highlighter. Now for her beauty mark. Now it's time for our lashes. I just bought some more lashes from Itzel. These are the Buenos Aires lashes and they're beautiful. I love them. So these are the ones that I'm going to be using. So I'm gonna go put these on and get dressed and I will be right back. And our final Goofy movie fact is that Powerline was originally supposed to be voiced by Bobby Brown, y'all. He actually recorded some of Powerline's lines and things. But the problem is that Bobby Brown had a drug problem. So Bobby Brown didn't work out. So instead, Disney went with Tevin Campbell, the beautiful, beautiful, handsome Tevin Campbell, okay? Man, you guys need to see the video of him like singing it a couple years ago. He sang it at the reunion and I just, oh, it was amazing. I love you, Tevin Campbell. My favorite scene is that scene in Fresh Prince when he was singing Happy Birthday to Ashley. Oh, my God, you guys understand. I love me some Tevin Campbell. Woo, I digress. Well, since I love this look so much, I'm gonna go watch the movie. But first, let me tell you about next week's video. Hey, are you struggling to set goals and stick to them? Are you a cosplayer and you get all these ideas for cosplay, but then you forget them maybe a couple weeks later because you didn't put them all in one place? I am here to tell you my plan that helps me complete my goals for the year. And I'm willing to share that with you. So next week's video will be all about how to complete those goals that we have set for 2021, especially in the cosplay realm. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe so that you don't miss out. Make sure you also check us out on Instagram and don't forget about the Your Nerdy Girlfriend podcast. We've had some really great episodes on there and this week's episode is all about POC cosplayers and how to show them love and respect in the cosplay community and as fans. So you definitely don't want to miss out. I will be having some cosplayers on there and we will just be chatting and chilling, okay? But hey, while you're waiting for Thursday's video, why don't you watch these two videos right here? I mean, hello! More content! Yes! I will see you guys later. Bye!